channel. My name is Natalie, and today I decided that I'm gonna be recreating, I'm gonna try my best at recreating my 10 favorite looks that I saw on Pinterest. I'm super excited, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. Hi! So this is my room in a different camera angle. For the first outfit, I picked this one. I picked this one because I feel like it's a very basic outfit that still looks very elegant and chic. I have two options for the jacket. I have this one. It's very oversized, so I think this one will be better. I have also this one, which is after my mom, and it's like a regular woman's jacket. So yeah, we're gonna try on both. And then for the dress, I also have two options. I don't have the same type of dress that she has. The only one that I have that goes down to my knees is this one. Yeah, hopefully it's gonna work. Or if it doesn't, I have just a basic midi skirt with a basic white top. So yeah, let's try it on. Okay, so this is the dress on. Let's try the first jacket. I feel very weird. I'm gonna try the second one. You know what? I'm gonna try the midi skirt. I don't like this too. I like this better. I just feel like this fits me way better than the dress. Anyways, this is the first jacket. I mean, it's not the worst. It's just hers is way longer. So let's try the other one. I feel like this is better. Also, her hair is like up. I feel like she's wearing a hair clip. So I'm gonna quickly put this on. Alrighty, my hair is somehow holding up. Like, I'm the worst person when it comes to hair clips because my hair always falls down from them. But yeah, she also is wearing a bag with like a chain strap. And I have this one. It's like a crocodile skin bag, so yeah, I'm pairing it with that, and that is the finished look. I actually feel kind of good in this, so yeah. Also, I feel like this outfit is like the most simple outfit that I chose out of all the ones that I'm going to be recreating, so yeah, this is like the most easiest to recreate, I think, by everybody. So yeah, anyways, the next outfit is gonna be this. I feel like I have a lot of like very close items to the items that she has, so I feel like this is gonna be good. First of all, I have the knee-high tights. I don't have a green crew neck, but I have this. I don't really know what this is. It's this. Yeah, you get the point. Then we have just a basic mini skirt and then a black leather jacket. Hers is definitely more oversized, but it's fine. It's gonna work. Let's put it on. Hear me out. We got very close. The thing is, the jacket is awful. It is a black leather jacket, okay, but it's just way too fitted for this. Like, yeah, maybe I'm just overreacting. Maybe this does look good. I don't know. Maybe this would look good on another person, but I don't know about me. Yeah, this is the picture side by side. As I said, it's not that bad. Maybe I'm just overreacting. Anyways, the next outfit is this. I love this outfit. Also, she has like a perfect blowout. I'm obviously not gonna have that, but still, we're gonna get as close as possible. She has this like skirt, but I actually think it's a slip dress. I might be mistaken, I don't know. But I have this creamy slip dress, and I think it's very similar to what she's wearing. Then she has just like a simple men's shirt, so I'm gonna wear this one. And then she's wearing a sweater vest. I don't have the same type of sweater vest that she's wearing, but I have these two. I'm gonna try both of them and we'll see what looks better. Alrighty, so I have the slip dress on and the button down. Let's try the sweater vest. I'm first gonna try this. Well, this could work if it was like more cropped. I don't know. Does this look good? Let me try the second one. I'm having a hard time now. I think I'm gonna go with this one. It's definitely not the same thing though. Like, wait, let me change one more time. I know this is annoying. I'm gonna wear this one just because it's like similar to what the girl in the picture is wearing. Anyways, let's do the hair now. I don't ever curl my hair, so I don't have a curling iron. So honestly, I think I'm just gonna like leave it as it is. This is the best I can do, okay? Anyways, she's also wearing a shoulder bag. I think this one is pretty similar. So yeah, I think we've gone pretty close. So I'm pretty happy with this one. Anyways, here are the pictures side by side. Looking at it now, like, I really feel like a Pinterest girl. So that has to mean we did a good job, right? Anyways, let's move on to the next outfit. The next outfit is this one. I feel like everybody knows this outfit. It's been all over Pinterest. Obviously, I don't have the same top, like, yeah. But I have this one. I know it's not the same. Obviously, there's no orange. There's no... Yeah, it's not really the same colors either. But this is like the closest I can do. So yeah. And then obviously some overalls. Hey! I literally just like tucked in the sweater and tied it in the back. She's also wearing gold hoops. I'm just gonna put on some gold hoops. The hoops are on. And a final touch. I don't have the same popsicle that she has. It's a popsicle, okay? It's close enough. Anyways, these are the final photos side to side. I think we did a pretty good job too. Like, it's obviously not the same thing, but I tried my best, okay? This is the next outfit. I have a lot of similar things to that outfit, but again, nothing is really the same, so it's gonna be very similar, but not the same. Starting off with the mittens, I have almost the same ones that she's wearing, so that is perfect. Then she has some loose jeans. I have my 501s. They don't fit me as loose as hers, but you know, it's fine. Then she has a creamy turtleneck. I have, yeah, they're pretty similar, so I think that this is good. And lastly, she has this like brown leather jacket. I don't have the same one that she has, but I have this one. It doesn't have like these little flubby things right here, but I think it's pretty close. And I also have this tote bag. I think it's very similar to what she has, so let's put it on. Okay, so this is the full outfit. These are the pictures side by side. The jacket makes it really different because, yeah, the cut is totally different, but other than that, I'm not complaining at all. Anyways, let's move on to the next outfit. This is the next outfit. It's super pretty, super casual. I feel like it's perfect for every kind of day. For this outfit, I'm starting off with a super basic white shirt. Then again, this blue shirt that I styled in this outfit. Then we have just some normal straight-legged black pants. And then the last touch, we have the oversized trench coat. She's also wearing this white fluffy tote bag, but I don't have that. So instead, I'm using this white handbag that I thrifted, and I think it's gonna do the job, so it's fine. Alrighty, and this is the final look. I also put on some gold hoops because she has some. I think again, we did a pretty good job. Like, yeah, I mean, these are all very basic items, but still, like, I think we're very close. I don't have the little takeaway coffee cup that all of these girls have in the pictures, so I have to improvise with like normal mugs, which kind of looks weird, but you know, it does the job, so it's fine. I really want to skip to the next outfit, but it's getting very dark, so I'm gonna continue tomorrow. So yeah, bye! Hi! So it's the next day, I just woke up, that's why I'm wearing a bathrobe. But yeah, anyways, let's jump right back into it. This is the next outfit. It's very out there. I don't have the same type of jacket that she has, but I have like this jacket, which I think is super duper close. Just because it doesn't go down to my knees as she has it, I'm gonna pair it with this beautiful red dress. I don't know if you can see, but it's like knitted, which makes it like so cool. I don't know, I just love this dress. So yeah, I'm gonna pair these two together. And then for the shoes, I don't know where my knee-high boots are. I put them away for the summer somewhere, and now I can't find them. Like, I don't remember where I put them. So instead, I think I'm again gonna wear, you know, my booties, and I'm again gonna pair them with the knee-high tights, and I hope that will like make the effect of a knee-high shoe. Anyways, let's put it on. Alrighty, so this is the whole outfit. I really like how the dress and the jacket looks. However, the shoes, I'm so freaking mad that I lost those boots. Like, look at them. They would literally go so perfectly with this outfit, but whatever, it's fine. For the hair, I'm just gonna let them down because she has them like that. Then she's also wearing some sunglasses. She has a leopard print bag, but I have this snakeskin one, and it's red and black, so I think it goes perfectly with this outfit. And yeah, that's the finished look. Again, I think this is similar as this outfit. Like, I like it, but I would probably like it more on some other person. Like, this doesn't really feel me. But anyways, these are the pictures side by side. Like, it's not as bad, but it's definitely not the same. The next outfit is a little bit more like summery. It's very colorful. This is it. I just really love this outfit because I think it's like super colorful that it brings me so much joy. So yeah, I wanted to try it for myself. I do have the green pants. I actually thrifted these in my last thrift haul. That was like the best thrift haul I've ever done. So if you want to go watch it, this is the link for it. And for the crop top, I have this orange one. I actually altered this in my last video. If you want to go watch that, this is the link for it. She's also wearing the little hair clip again, which we know how I feel about those, but I'm gonna try. And then she's wearing again some sunnies, so I'm gonna wear the ones that, you know, I wore with this outfit, again these ones. And then she's wearing this green tote bag. I don't have the same exact one. I do have this one, but it's a little bit too yellow and I don't think it matches the pants, so yeah. But then I also have this one. It's like see-through, and I think that this one might be the best one. I also kind of like how it's like see-through. I think it's a cool detail. So yeah, let's try it on. Alrighty, and this is the final look. I think we've gone pretty close. I put the hair clip in. I tried to do it the same way that she has it, but my hair just kept falling down, so this is what we have. These are the pictures side by side. I think, again, pretty good. Like, the top is orange, the pants are green. I think we did the job. The next outfit is this. I absolutely love this outfit. It gives me such like fall vibes. First off, she has, again, like straight-legged jeans. Only like straight-leg jeans that I own are my Levi's, so I'm gonna wear those. And then she's wearing like a gray crew neck, so I have this one. I think this will do the job perfectly. And then for the vest, I have this one. Hers is way darker, but I think that this one is gonna work perfectly. She's also wearing a black bag, so I'm gonna wear this one. And then she's also wearing a gray scarf, and I think I have like the exact same one that she has. So let's put it on. I'm not a fan of this outfit. It's very like the model of duty look, which I don't mind, but I don't know. There's just something like it's not right about this to me. These are the pictures side by side. Obviously she's in New York, in front of my house in Prague, so obviously the pictures are very different, but if you again focus just on the outfit, I think we got super close, so yeah. The last but not least outfit is this one. I absolutely love this one. I love the cardigan. I love everything about it. It seems that she's wearing like a skater skirt, and I have this one from Brandy Melville. Then I also have just a simple shirt, and I unfortunately don't have a red cardigan as she has, but I do have this red sweater, so I'm gonna wear it over the cardigan. And the last touch, we have again this leather jacket. I think we've actually gone really close with this one. These are the pictures side by side. It's pretty similar, I think. So yeah, I'm actually very, very happy how this turned out. So yeah, anyways, that was the last outfit. Can you believe it? So yeah, that was it. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. I definitely did enjoy it. Like, I had no idea that this is gonna be so much fun when I started making this video, and now all I want to film is like these types of videos. So yeah, if you want to see like a part 2 of this video or like similar videos to this, make sure to leave a comment down below or just a thumbs up. It's fine. Also, let me know which look was your favorite. I'm very interested. But yeah, anyways, as I said, that was it. If you have a minute, you can go check out my Instagram. But yeah, other than that, we are done here. I will let you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!